family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it, honey. This is a updated fragrance video of my thoughts. I have worn these fragrances a time or 2 or 20. And so I wanted to give you all a little bit of updates. Hopefully you all like this kind of vibe video. Just want to bring it back around. I just recently talked about some of these, right? And yeah, I'll let you know what I've been wearing and rocking in between my tray. I've been experiencing some other fragrances, and I was like, let me tell my family, okay? Well, let's get into it. The first one I have, just talked about this not too long ago, which is Batikh, I believe. Honey, when I say, okay, watermelon down, watermelon down, what, watermelon down, watermelon down. It's a song. Look it up. But when I say I've gotten compliments on this, okay, the co-workers love this. You know, ooh, they say I smell fruity. Fruity was like the top, but honey, this is a watermelon soda. Okay, and Fanta might have a watermelon soda, but if they did, this gives me Fanta with the kind of the fizziness and the watermelon. But when I say it is so good now, I had to re-up on this. Let's keep it real, okay? I had to re-up on this, and I think that's when they smelled the fruitiness a little bit better, because I had to re-up on this. But I don't mind. I don't mind carrying this in my bag. You all know how I am about the decants, but I don't mind carrying this around. But this is so good. So if you're looking for a good watermelon scent, I would say the lasting of this, it was about maybe 3 to 4 hours, okay? So not a good 6, but about 3 to 4. And then I had to re-up on it so that it can be a little bit stronger. I don't know if people have doused themselves with this, but when I say when you want to smell like a watermelon fruit bomb, this is what you're gonna wear. This is so good. And when I say, I don't even think this is immature. I think us grown folks can definitely wear this. I think even a niece of mine could wear this too. I think this is very much mass appealing, but anyone can vibe with this. It is so good. I more so got compliments from the ladies. There was no gentleman to maybe make a compliment, or they didn't say anything if they was smelling. But definitely good with the ladies. But it is one to get, and it's affordable. I think you would really vibe with this. Okay, moving on. Next up, I have Taskeen. Okay, and this is from Pariscorner. Ooh, baby, when I say that I did this a first impression video on this, but when I say I wore this out, oh my goodness, this is very long lasting, and it projects, okay? And you smell straight up and down, like I said the first time, like a peach tea. Now, when I say I didn't get any compliments on this, so maybe the people don't like peach tea. Or maybe they were like, oh, well, she smells good all the time, blah, 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 blah. So maybe they didn't just want to give me a compliment.
You gotta be grateful. You need haters. What do you think a hater's job is? To hate. If there's any haters in here right now that don't have nobody to hate on, feel free to hate on me. Sit back there and say my hair ain't luxurious when you know it is.
Either way, I gave myself a compliment. Oh my goodness, smelled definitely like a good old peach tea. I just wanted to sit me up. It is so good, okay? And when I say it projects, that to me, it just makes it all the better. It projects loud, okay? Oh my goodness, so good. Highly recommend. Honey, men, women, if you want to smell like a peach tea, This is good. Again, it lasts long. Where would I wear this? Definitely casual. Like, I mean, let's call it what it is. Do you really want to smell like a peach tea going to your first dinner date with somebody, like your first date? You might. But I ain't going to no first date with no peach tea smelling. But anything casual, you're going to a bar, you're going to hang out, like, this is really good. My niece is having her sweet 16 party. Would I wear this? No, I'm not gonna wear this. But what I would wear, let's talk about her. I would be upside down pineapple upside down cake. I couldn't even, what was it? Why was I stuttering? But a pineapple upside down cake, I would smell for my niece's sweet 16. This Honor and Glory by Lattafa. Why don't y'all? I know y'all got this. I know y'all have this. I am so excited when I say I got compliments. You talk about that pineapple. That pineapple said, we here. We here for the tropical season. We here for the spring season. Like, this is so good, okay? A creamy pineapple. And it doesn't have this, like, after note. You all know what I'm talking about. Like that musky type of, nah. This is good, okay? So good. And the price, great, okay? For the way this projects, the way this bottle is, look at this. It's white and gold. Like, aesthetically pleasing. This is amazing, okay? When I say I would wear this to the first date, the next date, okay? It is really a good one to get. Honor and Glory, highly suggest. I got so many compliments and honey, deliciousness, okay? All the deliciousness you want is in this bottle, okay? Next up, we have Rose Tempeaire. Now, honey, does Tempeaire mean reckless? I think I looked that up and I think it meant reckless. Reckless, okay? This is dangerous, okay? Recklessly dangerous. Honey, I gotta get the big old strip for this one. Whoa. Zara, you is doing something. When you doing something, you be doing it, okay? We just need to catch up. This rose fruity sexiness in a bottle. Ooh, when I say, I have tried to wear this every time with everything. And there was one time I said, Amber, you can't. Because you need to actually experience other fragrances. Like, go to your Dua tray, experience that. But you can't put all your Dua fragrances with this every day. Like, stop. Like, I had to, like, yell at myself. Like, it was crazy. Addicting. A problem. This is a problem. When I say, oh, baby, I just kept doing this. I kept doing it. Just like that, I just couldn't stop. Like, girl, you don't go to Zara and get this. This is amazingness. I don't know about the entire collection, but when I say this one right here, she been a good one right here. Okay, this, you know, what do they say? We go together real bad. We go together real bad. This is so good, sis. I can't say bruh, but sis. Okay, cousin. Okay. Hey, girl. Hey. This is so good. Oh my gosh. I've been getting my life. Now, the last thing on this, honey, I don't care. It's Zara, but I don't care. Like 2 to 3 hours. Okay, that's what it did. But when I say I've re-upped, and I ain't been disappointed on no re-up, okay? And this fits cute. You don't need the big, but when I get done with this, I will get the bigger bottle. But this can fit really cute in your bag, and you can just and go. But when I say that trail, okay, Rose Fruity Fresh. Hook yourself up, okay? Dangerous, reckless. If that's what that word really means, reckless. Proceed with caution. Take care of yourself on them streets. Moving on. And honey, last but certainly not least, from Dua, you all know I have a Dua tray, but okay, I have just finished her all up. I think I might have a little swallow in it. Other than that, I am getting a repurchase of this. This is the blueberry cookies. And let me tell you what I did. That I said, you lying. I'm about to get a full bottle. Hold up. Skin Potion, cookie butter. Do you all know what I did with that? Yeah, put it on my skin. You like, where would you go put it? Put it on my skin. And you know what else happened? Put this on top of there. Girl, I was smelling like a good old cookie, blueberry cookie, all the things. And if you don't want to smell like a cookie, bakery, sorry for you. I don't know what to tell you. Bypass this. And thank you for joining and all of the things. But Dua, Skin Potion, cookie butter, and this on top. Deliciousness, okay? But when the bees and all them things come, don't wear this, okay? Don't Don't wear this, because I don't want no issues with you in the comments coming back and saying I put that on and everything was chasing me. I don't want those problems. I just don't. But oh my gosh, I don't know what else to say about this, but blueberry cookie. And you all know how Skin Potion does with that cookie butter, okay? And it was the body butter with the oil. Are you talking about lasting? I know you're not asking me about how long it lasts, girl. The whole time, all day. What else? It's so good. Now, did I get compliments? No. And the reason why I wasn't around people like that. It is flu season, catching all the cases season. It's a lot going on out in these streets, okay? There is flu, there is COVID, honey. I mean, pink eye, it's a lot going on in these. Have you been outside? And I got an 8-year-old that brings all the germs because he around. I'm good. But all that to say, honey, this one, the blueberry cookies, add to cart. Oh, I'm getting it. I'm just waiting for some other Dua fragrances that I've been wanting to also become available so I can just purchase it in one bunch instead of in pieces. That's what I've been trying to do. But that I will be getting a full bottle. Don't worry. Not that you all were worried, but don't worry. It will be coming to my home. ASAP. Well, that's all, family, for my updates on some fragrances. Let me know if you kind of like this kind of content. I don't always kind of go back to my experience, but one of my family members suggested that, and so here we are. I definitely want to bring you all the content that you all want to see. Hook your sister up. Let me know what you want to see down below. I know someone said a live. Honey, I'm gonna try. I gotta see what that's about. You all want me live? I'd be nervous. I don't know. We would have fun. We have fun. When we play games. What a live look like for me? I'm lively. But what we gonna do? What we gonna do? We need to have some topics and talk. Let me know. So I'm gonna try. We'll see. Maybe I have a vacation coming up. Maybe I can go live then. I don't know. But let me know what you want to see. I would love to deliver. Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah. Your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Yep. Bye.